Welcome to my channel all about fashion design. If you love creating beautiful and unique clothing designs, then you've come to the right place. Start with a croquis, a basic figure drawing of a model. You can either draw it yourself or print out a template to use. Decide on the pose and angle of your model. Will they be standing, sitting, walking, or striking a pose? Will they be facing forward or at an angle? Sketch the outline of the clothing onto the croquis, focusing on the silhouette and shape.
Start with a sketch. Begin by sketching the basic outline of the gown on a piece of paper. You can use a pencil or a pen for this. Add details. Once you have the basic outline, start adding details like the neckline, sleeves, hemline, and any other design elements that you want to include in the gown. Light, feathery strokes for this. Choose your color palette. Decide on the colors you want to use for the gown. You can use markers, watercolors, or colored pencils to add color to your illustration. Shade and highlight. Use shading and highlighting techniques to add depth and dimension to your illustration. You can use cross-hatching, stippling, or other shading techniques to achieve different effects. Refine your illustration. Once you have added all the details and colors, go over your illustration and refine any areas that need to be cleaned up or adjusted. Remember,
attention to the proportions and placement of these elements. Shade and color the sketch to bring it to life. Use different shades of pencil or markers to create depth and dimension. Finally, add any accessories or styling details such as jewelry, shoes, or hair to complete the look.
Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on your illustrations to improve your skills. There are also many online resources available that can help you learn more about fashion illustration techniques and styles.